Good morning, I'm AJ Walker with your Fox 47 weather. In our weather headlines today, we'll see temperatures back in the 20s today. Unfortunately, yeah, we've got a cold front moving through. And then Monday, we're looking at light snow showers, but strong winds. And then we'll see several days of isolated snow showers next week. For your dog walking forecast, bundle up as you're walking the dog. Temperatures are in the 20s throughout the morning. We only top out around 26 degrees today and only 25 for some of our neighborhoods. So yeah, bundle up, but it will be dry, but cloudy as you're out there. So we have those winds, like I said, today gusting in the 20s at times. So that's going to really affect our wind chill. So if you're heading out around 10 a.m., let's say, the actual temperature will be 23 degrees at that time, but it's only going to feel like 12 degrees. And once we get to our high temperature today of 26 degrees, it's only going to feel like 15 degrees today. So yeah, it's a little chilly, and here's our good old winds gusting in the teens throughout the day. Here's noon. They're still gusting in those upper teens, and then we see them tick up into the 20s, and then by the evening we'll see them get back into the lower teens, and then overnight fluctuate and pick back up again because we're getting ready to have a windy Monday ahead. So the later tonight we get into the overnight hours, they start to pick up and get out the gate in the mid to upper 20s for Monday. And then look at this. 40-mile-an-hour winds. Here's Monday at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 40-mile-an-hour winds for St. John's, Portland. 39-mile-an-hour winds in Ionia. This is all Monday. And then 36-mile-an-hour winds in Lansing, 37 in Mason. So yeah, a very windy day ahead. Now, we do not have a huge risk for frostbite the rest of the week because we get back into the 30s for a lot of our days. But for today, we have a moderate risk because these are feels like temperatures, not our actual temperature. It's going to feel like 9 degrees at times. So if you're out there, there's a moderate risk for frostbite. So make sure you cover up your skin and make sure you don't get frostbite. Here's what we're tracking on our futurecast. Today, just a lot of clouds, a cloudy day ahead of us. But then as the day progresses, we get a clearing in those clouds, I'd say after 7 p.m. And then we're good to go. Nice and dry for today. And so now let's bring us to Monday, the snow that we are expecting for Monday. So here's Monday, 6 p.m., your evening commute. You start to see snow showers moving through our neighborhoods. Now, these are light snow showers. Not anything to worry about. They'll be quickly moving. After that, they'll become isolated. And then we'll see more isolated snow showers in the overnight hours into Tuesday morning. Most of our neighborhoods are dry at that time. And then we just have several days this week where we're going to see isolated snow showers popping up throughout the week. Not any big, heavy snow expected. Today, we're topping out at 25 degrees for our high. We'll have winds out of the southwest at 13 miles an hour, but gusting in the upper teens and 20s today, but will be mostly cloudy. Tonight, we'll see an overnight low of 19 degrees with winds out of the west at 16 miles an hour, mostly clear. And tomorrow, we are going to top out at 33 degrees. It'll be mostly sunny, but it will be mostly windy too. It's going to be a very windy day, like I showed you. Winds gusting in the 40-mile-an-hour range for Monday. Now, we do get some good news with our temperature, at least. By Monday, we're back into the 30s. And then by Thursday, we dip back into the 20s. And then we get back into the 30s again for Friday of next week. And then Saturday, we have some freezing rain on the way. That's going to do it right now for your Fox 47 weather. I'll let you get back to our news.